Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands. So let's go ahead and get into today's video, you guys. This is a palette that I've had and I just haven't gotten a chance to film with it yet. And I love the tones in this palette. So this is the Adept Cosmetics Samarian Sunset. Sometimes things that are normal, like my brain just can't pronounce. So look at this. Isn't that freaking gorgeous? I have this weird thing where I can't figure out how to get the thing all the way in the, but yeah, do y'all see how freaking beautiful that is? Adept Cosmetics. They just make me happy. So let's get started, shall we? For time's sake, because I have a very short time frame to do this. Because it's Super Bowl Sunday, I had to have my husband drop me off at my mom's on his way to work, so we still only have one car. Don't know when that's going to be changing, guys. It's so hard to like lose your freedom, lose your car, lose everything. But hopefully, fingers crossed, it'll just be maybe another couple more weeks and I'll be able to get my vehicle back because she'll have his vehicle back. So we won't be trying to pull the one car pony show because it is just not working. Let's start with the shade Delta Quadrant. We're just going to stamp that into the creases. Yeah, you guys. Anyway, I am not really a football girly. It just does nothing for me. Don't understand it. Don't, whatever. It does nothing for me. I am here for the halftime show. That's my thing. The halftime show and just getting to enjoy some good food. We make that chili cheese dip. It's so good. Yeah, just everything but. And the commercials. But sometimes they're not really that great. It depends. So I'm hoping it's a good year for the commercials and all the things that I enjoy. And if you enjoy football, I hope it is a good game for you and I hope you just love it and all the things, you guys, all the things. Let's see. Now we're going to blend this out. Let's go with the shade Positronic Net, which is that shade right there. Oh my gosh, I just totally dipped into the shade I just used. I'm like, what am I doing? Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh my goodness, life. So last night was such a good night. I got to hang out with my BFF. Haven't done that in way too long. I know we always say it, but we're going to try and get together more often. Because, yeah, it's just good to have girl time, you know, and to just relax and not be stressed out, even if it's just for a few hours. Yeah, some weird things happened. We were like driving, we were in a town that's like known to be haunted, and we were driving around and all of a sudden like the car just got so cold and I'm like, oh my gosh. So I started turning you know, the heat up and she's like, oh my gosh. She's like, you got really cold too? And I said, yeah, that was really weird. And she's like, yeah, just all of a sudden, like, got really cold. And you guys, I'm talking, I mean, I don't really know temperature-wise, but just imagine going from, like, comfortable to freezing cold like that in, like, 1 second. It was really weird. Don't know what caused it, but it was kind of weird. I think we might have, because by this point, it was, like, pitch black dark outside. We might have been, like, driving by a cemetery, because I know on the way where we were going, there was like a long cemetery on this road. So I think we might have been by that. But it was just really weird that it just, I don't think I've ever had that happen before when I'm driving. Like it just got so cold within like 1 second. All right, I'm gonna go in the shade Darmok and I'm just gonna use that for the lower lash shade. But yeah, that was weird. We found this really cool place that had like a Bath and Body Works that was like not in a mall. So it was amazing. We just got to go in and look at everything and it wasn't crazy. We were like the only ones. There were a couple people or like one other person in there, I think, when we first got there. or maybe it might have been, I wasn't, maybe they were workers, I'm not sure, but yeah, we were like, there was really like no one else in there, so we got to look at everything. It wasn't crazy and hectic, and like everything in this complex was just, it wasn't super busy, so it was really, really nice just to get to look at everything and relax. They also had like a Five Below and a Marshalls, just good stuff. All right, we're gonna go in with the shimmers, because you know I am that shimmer girl. I love shimmers. There's just not enough shimmer in the world for me. But yeah, it was just a really, really good night. Yeah, we had fun. We just didn't really have anything in particular to do. We just got some dinner and just kind of hung out and went to some different stores and stuff. Okay. Oh, these shimmers. So, if you don't know, I love photography. I do a lot of nature photography, and one of my favorite things to photograph is sunsets. So I'm just looking at these tones and they're just making me so happy. Maybe we'll just kind of do like a gradient or something. Let's start with Obsidian Order right there. Ooh. I love this so much. Like, there's just nothing better than sitting outside and just watching the sky change colors and the sun go down. It's just so pretty. Now, I'm trying to decide what I want to go in with next. All these are so freaking beautiful. Let's go with USS Defiant next. And we're supposed to be getting more snow, and like, I'm just so over the snow, you guys. I'm so over it. I don't enjoy risking my life, and we really can't lose my car, because my car's all we got. So I'm really not looking forward to having to like drive to work and risk it. And I can't figure out, they're like talking Monday to Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, like can we make up our mind? Can we just figure it out? And they're talking ice, and that's really what I don't like. I am just so over it, you guys, so over it. All right. Ooh, okay. Now I'm gonna go with Pack Lid, which is that one right there. Ooh. And ignore this little crusty right here. If you can see it, that's just what happens when it goes from like winter into spring, and it warmed up a little bit, and it was just enough for my eyes to start doing their thing and getting crusty and gross. I just haven't really had like a lot of time to tend to myself and other things, so just ignore that. Okay, now all these shades are so pretty. It's like I want to use them all, but obviously I only have so much lid space. So, oh, I want to go in with Trill right here. just in the very inner corner and kind of blend it all together a little bit. Oh, that's pretty. So pretty. If you have not tried Adept, I cannot recommend them enough. Just absolutely fantastic. These shimmers are so good. So good. All right, now for lower inner corner highlights. Let's go in with Risa, this shade right here. All right, I'm gonna go throw on a little bit of liner, my mascara, and I'll be right back. I am back. Now I need a highlight, so we're gonna take another Adept Cosmetics product. This is the Duality palette. Do you see how beautiful that is? I think we're gonna go with Orange Pearl and maybe mix in a little bit of roses or red. So let's just, let's start with roses or red, and let's just put a little bit of that right here. And then we'll go in with a little bit of Orange Pearl. Because I think those two would look really, really cool together. And then let's go with a little bit of Orange Pearl, which is right here on top of that. Okay, that looks really, really cool together. Y'all know I love layering and mixing things, so it's perfect. Really, really pretty. Okay, and now I've just been having a heck of a time with my lashes lately. My mascara. Sometimes I'm a bit of a mess. All right, if you know, you know. Okay, do a little dry off. And also I finally picked up the Maybelline Superstay Lumi Matte Foundation. So I have that on today, trying it out. My skin is on the drier side, so it's not as loomy on me, but it's doable. All right, let's do a little final look. All right, you guys. So again, Adept Duality palette for the highlight. And then the Adept Samarian Sunset Palette for the eyes. Oh, just so, 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 so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I just realized I have like nothing on my lips. I'll be right back. What better way to complete this look than with an Adept Cosmetics gloss? This is in the shade Shady Sands. It is absolutely beautiful. Oh, so good. That shimmer. It's just absolutely gorgeous. All right. That's it, you guys. That's all I got. Thank you so much for the love and support that you show me. Thank you for watching this video. If you made it this far, give yourself a reward. Thank you so much. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Hang out with us. I usually do live Sundays, 3 p.m. Central Time. With today being Super Bowl, obviously I can't do that. I'm going to be at my mom's house hanging out with her. But hopefully next Sunday we will. And this will go up sometime after that. So I don't even know when this will go up. But just so you guys know, I can only film on weekends. So my videos are pre-filmed. And sometimes if I take like an extra day off, I might get an extra video film, which pushes things back a little bit further. But yeah, so when you're seeing this, all this is obviously a week or two later. But yeah, just hang out, stick around. Yeah, just become part of our little community that we've grown here. I think it's pretty cool. I've met some really awesome people. So if you're one of those people, thank you so much for sticking around. Remember that you're beautiful, loved, and amazing, and have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.